Here we are going to see the power output and the frequency characteristics of the reflex klystron. That on the vertical axis we have taken the frequency, and on the horizontal axis we have taken the repeller voltage of the reflex klystron. In the second diagram we have taken the power output, and on the horizontal axis we have taken the repeller voltage. The repeller voltage has been taken from 0 to 900 volt, and on the vertical axis the power has been taken from 0 to 500 volt milliwatt, and here we have taken the frequency from 9.96 gigahertz to 10.06 gigahertz. Here the variation is of 0.02 gigahertz. So let us see. First we'll see the power output and the repeller voltage, how it works. In the second mode, small n is equal to 2, when we keep, that time we are having 1 and 3/4 mode, and as we have seen the bunching, where the maximum bunching is taking place here, when the voltage, repeller voltage is changed from 700 volt to 800 volt, that time the power is increasing, and whereas when from 800 to 900 volt, when we go ahead above this 800 volt, that time the power gets decreased. So it reaches maximum around this position of 400 milliwatt, around 400 milliwatt. But you see the second position, that when n is equal to 3 we take the third mode, that we are having the variation from 270 volt to around 380 volt. That time the power is increasing from 270 volt to 310 volt around, and then our 310 volt to 380 volt, it is getting decreased. So around one point it is increasing, and above that point this is decreasing. Similarly, we take another mode, then we see, and the power in this mode has decreased down in comparison to the previous one. So here the power output is approximately 300 milliwatt. But you see in this case the power has increased from 0 to 200 milliwatt, from when we vary the repeller voltage from around 70 volt to 100 volt, and about above 100 volt, when we move, that time the power gets decreased. So this is the characteristics in terms of power of the reflex klystron. But when we see the operation frequency range, that time we see that over this mode 2, the power is maximum, whereas the operating range has decreased. It is the smallest one. Whereas when the power has decreased, that time this frequency range of operation is increasing, and when the power is smallest one, that time the range of frequency of operation is maximum. So this is the characteristics of the reflex klystron tube. Thank you very much.